Welcome to Zenith. We're learning matters. In this session, we'll learn the usage of different prepositions before cities and countries in two parts. Part 1. When someone lives or goes to some place. Part 2. When someone comes from some place. Part 1.
Habiter.
To live.
J'habite à Paris.
I live in Paris.
Tu habites au Canada.
You live in Canada.
Elle habite en France.
He, she lives in France.
Nous habitons en Inde.
We live in India.
Vous habitez au Japon.
You live in Japan.
Elles habitent aux États-Unis.
They live in United States. As you can see, there are different prepositions used with different places, while in English the prepositions doesn't change. So why it happens in French? Well, the answer lies in the gender and the place or the destination where one goes to or lives in. Let's have a look on how it is used. Prepositions used before cities and countries.
Prépositions utilisées avant les villes et les pays.
Before cities, preposition,
À
example,
Paris, à New York.
before feminine countries or country that starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, or H, preposition,
En
example,
France, en Inde.
before masculine countries, preposition,
Au
example,
Canada, au Japon.
plural countries, preposition,
Au
example,
aux États-Unis.
Here are some examples to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Part 2.
Venir.
To come.
Je viens de Paris.
I come from Paris.
Tu viens du Canada.
You come from Canada.
Elle vient de France.
He, she comes from France.
Nous venons d'Inde.
We come from India.
Vous venez du Japon.
You come from Japan.
Elle vient des États-Unis.
They come from United States. So here again you can see there are different prepositions used with different places, unlike in English. The preposition remains same. So why it happens in French? Well, the answer again lies in the gender of the place from where one comes. Let's have a look on how it is used. Prepositions used before cities and countries.
Préposition utilisée avant les villes et les pays.
Before cities. Preposition.
De,
Examples.
de Paris, de New York.
Before feminine countries or country that starts with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U, or H. Preposition.
De, ou, des apostrophes.
Examples.
De France, d'Inde.
Before masculine countries. Preposition.
Du,
Examples.
du Canada, du Japon.
Before plural countries. Preposition.
Des,
Example.
des États-Unis.
Here are some examples to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Thank you for watching. Please share your views and suggestions in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute and click on the bell button to get the notification for our new videos.